Hello. It's been cold, raining quite heavily, and the wind has been blowing quite strong. So I haven't been out in the forest for a few days. But today the wind's died down a bit. The rain hasn't been as heavy, so I took the opportunity to go out for another walk in the forest and do some filming. Now, this particular film is mostly about wet weather fire lighting. A lot of people want it all to happen at once. They want a big lot of this or a big lot of that. In wet weather, this doesn't happen. You can't just go to a big stand of dried grass and pull it out and expect it to be dry, because it won't be. It'll be soaking wet. But this is where you need the experience to know where to look for the things you want. Okay, if you're looking for dry kindling, then you have to look in places that are still going to be dry after the rain. And I hope to show you that in the video today. Don't expect to find a lot all at one time. If you find a dry leaf or two dry leaves, that's a plus, that's good, okay? And you go to somewhere else and you collect a couple more, and you keep doing that and keeping them dry until you've got enough kindling to make a fire. Okay. I suppose there's nothing else left but to take you out there and show you where to find this stuff. So we'll do that. This is internationally known as squawwood, because the New World native Indian women, it was their job to go out and find firewood. Their job's to get the fires going and keep them going. And in wet weather, this was where you'd collect the wood. This is where you'd find it dry first, because it's sticking out from the tree and it's in the wind, and it dries out the quickest. It's good kindling. Now, even in the pouring rain, you'll still find dry kindling under logs. You can see the difference here between the darker coloured leaves. They're wet, but further under the log it's all dry. Don't be in too much of a hurry for a quick fix when you're looking for dry kindling. Every little twig, every little leaf counts. Stringy bark tree. Damp on the outside. But dry on the inside. Doesn't damage the tree to pull it off. It's good kindling.